Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Morbid Team Entertainment. Okay, for the film collectors, what we have is some Fuji Film, Neopan, Cine 8mm, 40, reversal, and safety film. Safety film is something that came out much later, and opposed to the nitrate-based films that were flammable. So this would be safer for projection and storage, okay, as not to, start a fire during projection or something that would get very hot in a storage situation. All right, so we got double 8mm, and there's the text at the bottom of there. We're going to go to the side. Basically the same thing on the side. Information on the back. That would have been kind of nice to have that day. Alright. So, let's look at the top here. Turn this around. And I believe it reads processed before 1967. That's what it looks like. There are those numbers there for EM number. Fortunately, I got this as well, being that only the box had been opened here, which leaves us to explore just a touch more. I am essentially really not a collector, but if I get something interesting, I believe it is neat to take a look at it. Take a look at this packaging here. Look at that. Alright. Let's slide it out of this wrapping. It just slides right out, as you can just see that. Just like so. Okay. Here, take a look how this is wrapped up inside. Wow, look at that. This is for sending your film off to be processed. Man. Wow. Let's separate this here just a bit. Okay. Wow, look at this. Try to unwrap this as nicely as possible so you can see it. Let me turn this right side up. And there you are. Okay. I'm going to put this back off to the side. Let's take a look at these papers. This one's in the center. And these papers are perforated here. You can see there. To go together. All right. Apparently you just moisten the back of that. And here is just essentially explaining to you about the film. Get closer on this. Look at that, even giving you instructions on how to ship it. Just like I was just showing. And here we have the English version. And the address. So, all this is in really good condition, I have to add. And just a notice. Okay. Let me see if I can separate these. Okay. Whoops. That's it. So for collectors, there you go, with the exception of the film. Run film twice through the camera. Cine 8mm. Use this case for sending the film for processing. And it is sealed, which is great. Very nice. Something very nice for collectors. Okay, so there you have it right there with this vintage film. And no, I'm not going to open it. I don't believe, because here's the thing, it hasn't been stored properly. And probably the film is all gunky and just, you know, just a bunch of a big sticky mess, and that's what turns into film when it hasn't been stored properly. It's just totally sticky. It won't even run properly through the camera. You'll hold it in your fingers and it'll be nasty and gooey and gunky. Okay, and it's just really just totally useless. It's just something for collectors. Maybe I'll just sell it off, or you know, if there's a collector or a film student, maybe I just might just give it away. All right, so that's it with the vintage film. Hope you enjoyed it. Shoot on film always. It's one of the best experiences you can get. Says me, the captain. Until next time, subscribe and enjoy.